Hi everyone, today I gotta come to pick this lock by my tooth. I got new tooth from Amazon, lock picking tooth. You try to pick this and bring high security one. High security make from sign it. Try to pick this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. We'll try this first. How it works? This one, the brand brings. Okay, this high security. Try tension brand in there. It's locked. Okay. Try this hook. Maybe it's too tight. Right there, open already. Wow, take like 2 minutes. Oh my god. Another one. This Chinese lock from Walmart too. This 45 millimeter. Tried it. Open already. Oh my god. Take 2 seconds. Easy to open this kind of lock. These are American lock master. Master right there. This American lock. How long it take? Try something else. Like that. You open. You tap diamond break. I'll try again one more time. This half diamond. Right there. Oh my god. This one too right now. This one gonna be harder too. This one for the tail toe, Chinese lock. Use the red, this one. Half diamond. Right there. Pen all high security. Okay, bye bye everyone. Get done. Only get picked. All high security lock. Chinese lock. American lock. Need to rekey the lock or inside the house. The lock from the old lock from my own house before I have for a long time. I never used that. This I lost the key, have to make the new key, rekey for the new key. Just put inside the house, that's all. Looks okay though. Gotta put back in here. Looks like right way here. Okay. Like that. Put back in there now. It. Put the key in. Be ready. This is the part inside door lock. That's good. Get done for today. Okay, bye bye one. Today first rekeying this kind of lock. Very hard to do because this side they go like a hole down here, so deep and hard to take that thing out.